Learn Danish. May I equals.
Må jeg?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Ready to level up your Danish in minutes? Today your mission is simple. Master.
Må jeg?
The Danish way to say may I. Imagine raising your hand politely, palm forward, and asking with a smile.
Må jeg?
Your goal today. You've got this. Let's make permission phrases effortless and fun. Mnemonic time. Think mo I? It sounds like.
Må jeg?
Rhyme it. When you want to try, ask with a sigh.
Må jeg?
Then give it a try. Gesture. Raise your hand slightly, palm forward. Movement. Take one small step as you say it. Mini dialogue at the cafe. Act it out with me. Imagine the cozy buzz around you in Copenhagen. You.
Må jeg bestille en kop kaffe, tak?
Waiter.
Ja, selvfølgelig. Hvad vil du?
You.
Må jeg få en kanelsnegl også?
Waiter.
Selvfølgelig.
Forms and contrasts.
Må jeg?
Versus friends. Quick forms check. Sounds smart, clear, and super polite. Permission.
Må jeg?
Equals may I. Ability.
Kan jeg?
Equals can I. Obligation.
Skal jeg?
Equals must I. Advice.
Bør jeg?
Equals should I. Polite, soft.
Kunne jeg?
Equals could I. Plural, third person.
Må vi?
Slash.
Må han?
Mirror trick. Question.
Må jeg?
Versus statement.
Jeg må.
Negation.
Må jeg ikke?
Equals may I not. False friend.
Må.
May is not.
Mig.
The month May. Drill time. Quick wins. Repeat after me. Clear, friendly, confident. Window.
Må jeg åbne vinduet?
Join in.
Må jeg være med?
Ask politely.
Må jeg stille et spørgsmål?
Library.
Må jeg låne denne bog?
Seat check.
Må jeg sidde her?
Doorway.
Må jeg komme ind?
Sci-fi gate.
Må jeg gå ind?
Soft refusal frame.
Må jeg ikke forstyrre?
Culture tip. Danish politeness. Sound local in seconds. In Denmark, politeness is concise and friendly. Permission is often asked with.
Må jeg?
Instead of long apologies, picture it as a key that unlocks doors of permission, short, clear, and warm. Quiz time. Let's test your ears and reflexes, fast and fun. Q1. How do you say, may I, in Danish? A.
Må jeg?
Q2 listening, you hear.
Må jeg?
What does it mean? A. May I. Q3 true or false.
Må jeg?
Asks for permission. A. True. Q4 odd one out.
Må jeg? Kan jeg? Må vi? Skal jeg?
A.
Skal jeg?
Obligation, not permission. Q5 chain it I. We. He. A.
Må jeg? Må vi? Må han?
Challenge beat. Lock it in with rhythm. Clap clap. Say.
Må jeg?
Step forward. Add a verb.
Åbne. Være. Stille. Låne.
Repeat 3 times, a little faster each round. Outro. Strong finish, nice work today. Thanks for listening. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Må jeg?
All day, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more learning content and resources. See you next time.